Look, look at us riding a concho. That was fun. But, oh, we got some cows over here. Watch your step, people. And we are heading to the beach here in Sosua. You know, I know Sosua has its reputation, but I'm trying to find some activities that doesn't have to do with that reputation.
The food is good here, though.
Food is definitely good.
No, the food is amazing, man.
Definitely good. We had that Haitian food earlier, but I do want to, yeah, shout out to the Haitians, all my Haitian subscribers. And I am looking forward to the traditional food here. So let's see if I'm able to eventually get some. I definitely will. So, yeah, kind of stinks here. Let me be quiet.
Nice. Wait, I think this is like whenever we watch the video.
Yeah? Yeah. We could definitely find drinks here. Yeah.
Oh, you even have drinks too.
Yeah. Wait, what? See, there you guys see that. No. Yeah, we're good. Let's go right now. Where do y'all want to go? Y'all want to walk? Y'all want to take a walk on the strip, or y'all want to go by the water?
Let's, I guess, walk this way.
Oh yeah? Okay. Come on. Don't promise them. Don't promise them. Yes, I'm not interested. It's just that simple. Yeah, because when you come back, they're going to be like, oh, you promised me you coming back, blah, 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 blah. Good. How you doing?
Nigeria, Ghana, which one?
Nigeria,
that's what's up.
Yeah.
Now listen, that's the only spot on the beach we take cash up and $40.
Oh,
we got
nice.
Food, we got a drink, rooftop,
Okay.
VIP upstairs, everything here.
What's it
The best spot on
called?
the beach.
All right, that's the beach right there. That's a spot right here. I'm gonna try to zoom in.
We do a lot of
For y'all to see them.
DJ, girls naked, everything.
Yeah. All right, man. Thank you. All right. All right. Oh, she's coming after you guys. Nope, not interested. Oh no. We just ate. Sorry. Yeah. See, they don't believe me when you tell them you just ate. All right, guys. So we've got the beach right there. The water is right there, and the sun is beaming right now. Oh man, I want to get on one of those boats. But for now, we are taking a walk through the beach right now. So let's see how it goes. Yeah. Well, see the people over here trying to convince you to
Not really.
eat,
They
drink,
just know something
Spa.
about donut fruit.
You know, this guy's a big guy, so they just leave him alone. They leave him alone. You know. But everybody's hustling, you know. That's really all that it is. So, yeah, the sun is really beaming through. But yeah. Okay. I'm not gonna go by that water. Do you?
By that one?
Or you guys want to keep walking?
We gonna keep walking.
All right. So let's keep walking. Let's see how it goes. It's getting a little more quiet out here. It's a little more active on the other side. This is my first day here in Dominican Republic, so I am taking my time to just take it all in and see what exactly is going on, and then see, there goes another marketer right there about to approach us. But yeah. Yeah, we already. I already ate. Sorry.
What are you watching? Vamos retourner na plage, qu'est-ce qu'a pas téléphone?
Okay.
Everything right here, my man. Go for the head,
No, we already ate, man.
So I got some drink here, my man. I'm blessed, bro. Whatever ticket here, I'm gonna get, my man.
I'm good. What? Oh my God, I don't know what he said, but the beach? Yeah, it's a nice beach. Well, you guys want to walk down there, or too hot? Well. Oh my God. See, that's why I don't want to walk on the strip, because we're going to keep getting stopped. So.
Yeah. Mama Wana is good word, man. It's a natural Viagra, Mama Wana.
Did you just say it's natural Viagra? Whatever you was trying to sell us, you said it's natural Viagra. Once it's Viagra, there's nothing natural about it anymore.
Okay, Big Mama, this is Big Mama's place.
Oh, we see Big Mama's place. Holla, Big Mama.
Tell Big Mama hi.
Oh, that's a nice cliff right there. I know you guys can't see because the trees are in the way, but I will try to get the shot.
That's what I'm scared about.
Food is a lot cheaper.
Yeah, of course. Of course, because it's the beach. It's not as much activity as... Maybe we should go back the other way.
Yeah.
It's kind of dead here. But I'm going to try to get this cliff real quick. Look at that. I don't know if you guys can see it, but because the sun is so bright, but it's so beautiful. It's kind of high. I'm not trying to fall, so I will take a step back and walk back the other way. They got women arrested everything, bro. So what do you guys think about Dominican Republic so far?
I think it's great.
You like it?
I love the food.
You love the food?
The food looks scenery.
Okay. And you, sir?
So far, so good.
So far, so good. Is there anything that has stuck out to any of you so far?
The smell. No, that's the good way.
Okay.
Like it smells very
Yes.
like
Friendly
natural.
people. Friendly people for sure.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Fresh air.
Yeah.
Unlike the Brooklyn, the Bronx.
Yeah. I mean, the food tastes a lot more organic. You know, so that I'm happy about. Oh boy, I feel like we're about to get stopped by 10 billion people again. So you guys want to walk on the beach instead? No? All right. It is what it is. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna probably stop recording in a bit because